Sump pump is usually something that's in the lowest level of the home basement cellar where it catches moisture water that collects in the lowest level and then pumps it out of the house so
Okay.
that water doesn't flood into the basement. That's typical of what a sump pump is. So sometimes houses, whether they have a basement or not, sometimes houses don't have basements. Sometimes they have crawl spaces. Sometimes they don't have crawl spaces. But usually when homes are built, sometimes people have like they're right at the water table. So, how usually topography works is, my experience is that, if you dig deep enough, you'll hit water.